kids. I'm AJ Styles.
Hi everyone, I'm Patricia. Welcome back to Broke People's Guide.
No, she's not Patricia.
If you're not familiar with my channel,
she's not Patricia. I'm Patty.
I'm Patty.
No, she's Patricia. No, she's not.
That's one of my mini names. The purpose of this channel is to help you do some handiwork around the house or do certain repairs with as little money as possible, because hashtag broke people problems. So today we are going to try to repair my sliding glass door, which is not locking anymore. So we're going to try to figure out what's wrong with it and do something to fix it. So see, it's locked and you can still open it. There's Tiggy. Come on, Tiggy. So when you look at this here and this here, that's not aligned. This lock is supposed to, or this latch is supposed to be higher.
What's this called? Hey,
so we're gonna see what we need to do.
What's this called, Mommy?
I'm gonna try to see if I can remove this and move it up a little bit. We're gonna unscrew this.
For what? Why do you have the scissors?
Pretty simple.
I'm gonna put the scissors back. Take them out for no reason.
Oh, sorry, Tiger. He was outside. So that came off. The back piece came off pretty quickly. Okay. So we're gonna try to figure out what's wrong. So I can tell that everything was too low. This piece is falling all the way to the bottom of the hole, and that's why nothing's working. So if I can get it to sit all the way at the upper side of the hole, that'll probably work. I figure that I need to somehow fill this gap. I have a nail filer, and I'm trying to just see how much space I need here. And I feel like this, if I put a piece of a nail filer on each side, on this one and the bottom, it might actually stay where I need it to stay. I've reconnected just the top piece, and I sat it all the way towards the higher side of the hole because I want to test and see if I do anything to fill in that lower gap that it'll work. So I close the door, lock it, and that actually does work. So now I'm gonna do whatever I can. So I'm putting this in here. I've already marked it, but I want to show you how I did it. I'm just sticking this in here to see where I need it to sit in order for it to hold this back piece. See, right now it's actually holding it. I already marked it with my pencil right there on this nail filer.
It's not yours.
So I'm gonna cut it and then do an equal size and stick it on the other side. So Eli handed me the scissors. I'm just cutting the nail filer. I'm gonna do another one the same size. This is a corner piece, but I'm just gonna basically go to that end right there. Ow. So hopefully that's a good size. I'm gonna stick the back piece in first. I wanna make sure that it's hitting that little piece that's gonna help it. That's gonna help hold it in place. Okay, that's in there. No. It's kind of hard to see, but basically what I'm doing is trying to get the little nail filer right in here. And then the other piece, same thing.
Mommy, that really hurt it.
It hurt?
Yeah, because someone
What did you do?
Because someone eliminated me right there.
Someone eliminated you?
Yeah, and I tried to do a handstand, but I didn't. I hurt my finger.
You couldn't do the handstand? Alright, so I could see that it was hard for you to see what I was doing. So I basically put a little piece of the cut nail filer right here. It's actually holding this back piece in place. And then I put another one on this side. I'm just doing this to like keep them straight. So I'm actually pushing down on the back piece, putting some weight on it to make sure that it's actually staying where I want it to stay. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with the bottom piece. Okay, so now I got my pieces in place, and I want to go ahead and put this on. Oh, this flashlight actually helps me see where I need to be. But if you can't see, the best thing to do is grab your screw, put your screw where it goes, and try to line it up. So I know that that goes in there. And this one goes in there. So I think I'm good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and screw one of them in. Just gonna do a little bit so I can at least get them in place. Okay. And just go ahead and do it all, because that's it. Oi. Okay. That's nice and tight. Alright, watch out. Watch out. I want to move over here so we can see if it works. Can you lock it?
I still got it hard.
Can you lock it? Awesome, we did it. As you can see, Eli tested it, but I want to go ahead and try it myself. Okay, so it's unlocked. Locked. Yes! I can't believe that worked. Oh my gosh. Tiger's excited too. Come on, Eli. We did a good job. We did a good job. Yay! Watch the next video. Ow. Bye.
Bye.
And that's Eli. He's my little helper.
I'm not Elon.
Who are you?